Hello everyone and welcome to this video. My name is Savita Chaudhary and today I am going to share with you top 8 interview question and answers and why these questions are asked by the interviewer. So before moving further, I would like to request you to keep your copy and pen with yourself so that you can note down the important points which are relevant to you. So let's get started. Number 1. Tell me about yourself. So you must be surprised why the interviewer is asking this question to you while you have mentioned everything in your resume. So guys, let me tell you, the interviewer is asking this question to you to check two things: whether the document provided by you are true or not, and secondly, most important thing, to check your confidence and communication. So you need to be very confident before introducing about yourself. So let me tell you how to introduce.
These are points we should include. First, start with your name. Second, give your place of information. Third, education in short. Fourth, job experience if any. Fifth, family details in short. So let us see the example that how can we give the answer of this question. My name is Neha Sharma. I am basically from Nagpur but currently living in Indore. I have done BE in Electrical and MA in HR. Also, I have 2 years of experience in HR. If I talk about my family, we are 3 members. My father is a government employee and my mother is a homemaker.
Number 2. Why do you want this job? Here the interviewer is looking for the very specific answer. Why you are fit to this particular job. So you need to explain what are the relevant qualification or knowledge or skill you are having in your personality. And you also need to explain what are the requirement you are having to do this job. Why you are suitable for this particular job. So let me tell you how to answer this.
As the job description is exactly what I had been looking for, so I can put my skills to the best possible use, and I can also use the knowledge which I have gained over the years and use it to make a major difference in my preferred field as well as help this organization grow collectively.
Number 3. Why should we hire you? Here the interviewer wants to hire you. So you need not to speak about the company. Before reaching there, you have to carefully read and understand the company description. So try to relate your qualification and knowledge with the particular job you are applying for. So your answer will be,
I have theoretical knowledge but I can do hard work for my organization. I am one of those candidates who prefer enjoying the work instead of doing it. All I need a chance to prove myself. My contribution will surely place the company at the top.
Number 4. What are your strengths? So if the interviewer is asking what are your strengths, so you can say I'm hardworking, disciplined and so on. But if the interviewer is asking what is the reason behind this, so you must have the valid reason. Let me tell you how.
I think I am hardworking because whenever any task is assigned to me, I have put my complete effort to do it on time. And I think I am a team player too, because in my college days, I along with my friends organized a lot of events, and as a team we performed well.
Number 5. What are your weaknesses? Here the interviewer wants to check whether you having any lacking in your personality or it affects to the particular job you are applying for. So you need to be very careful while answering this question, and you need not to be very honest towards the interviewer. Like if you are saying I am a short temper, then definitely it will put you in a difficult situation. So you need to be answer them in a polite way, like I am having this problem and I am trying to overcome from this situation. So let me tell you how to answer this.
I feel nervous when I ask to present to a large number of people. So recently I have joined in networking groups to improve public speaking skills. I started to feel more comfortable now and I am also getting great feedbacks from my friends.
Number 6. What do you know about the company? So if you are going for the interview, you have to carefully read the description and you need to research properly about the company. Sometimes people just go to the interview for taking that opportunity before doing the proper research of the company. So you need not to do this mistake. Number 7. What is your salary expectation? Usually for fresher this question does not arrive, but in case if the interviewer is asking this question to you, so it is better not to say in figures. Instead you can say,
As a fresher, my first priority is to learn. This is a big platform for me, so I want to improve my knowledge and skills and gain experience, so I expect a considerable of salary according to my ability and your company's norm.
Number 8. Do you have any question? If the interviewer is asking for the question, do not miss this opportunity. But make sure that you are asking relevant question. So you can ask, may I know the company value or may I know the job profile? It will show that you are having really interest in the particular job. Last golden tip, be ready with the follow-up question as well. Sometimes we just go for the interview with the preparation of commonly asked question, but we have to be ready for the unpredictable question as well. And if you have any question like this, then write in the comment box. I will try to answer them. Till then, keep on practicing. Bye bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.